Good morning, everyone. So it seems that the big drama in Washington may turn out to be a big yawn. Kept the markets on hold here all week, and now we'll see what happens after the testimony is over. Based on what was released yesterday, it looks like it'll be a non-event. The reaction so far this morning has been muted. As the futures are up a bit, they've kind of inched back down a little bit after yesterday's bottoming tail. And, it's pulled back here. It does suggest a move higher. And, pre-market anyway, prices took out yesterday's high, which says, okay, let's go. So we'll see where things get going here after the market opens. NASDAQ looking a little bit better. We've got Alibaba soaring here. Yahoo is up on news. We'll take a look at that. But this is looking good. Got a little tiny consolidation here at the top of this wider range bar. And as long as it can stay above this little bottoming tail bar here, the assumption is that it goes higher. Oil down again. Looks like it's got a retest there. Interesting that USO is already down by those lows. It's trading a little lower here at the moment, and coming into this big support area where it's held before. We'll see what happens now. And bonds, in a little bit, just chopping around here near this resistance. Can't get through it decisively, so we'll see. Looks like a bottom side shakeout, like it can go higher, but it hasn't been able to clear the resistance yet. A couple of market movers pre-market here of interest. JD is up 43-ish. I like it. It's just clearing this resistance area. If you're a gap trader, it's in an uptrend. It's cleared resistance. You can see the little consolidation there, and really nothing to stop it from going higher. So that's going to be on my list for the morning to see what that does. VRX, which has just been, obviously everybody knows, has just been destroyed. It's starting to sell off some of what its value is and has. So they completed that this morning. It's up a little bit. It's just cleared these highs and came back in. So maybe in play. We'll see what happens there. And Yahoo, blasting off here out of this consolidation. We'll see what that does. And Baba, soaring 125-ish up to 145 almost. So huge gap there. We'll see if that comes in. You got to keep an eye on this and the Yahoo, and we'll see what they do. All right, oil, still under pressure, obviously, and financials, possibly, I don't know, whether this head and shoulders here follows through. But if it doesn't, I strongly suggest keeping an alert up here around this $24 area, because if these financials can negate this head and shoulders, they should really get going, because weekly head and shoulders tops that fail usually have a big move, because it's a distribution pattern. And if it can ignore that and get going again, historically, they just have big moves. All right, have a great trading day. We'll talk tomorrow.